Hey everyone! Today we are building this animated login form using only HTML and CSS. No boring squares here, just smooth, flowing vibes. Let's dive in. First, we start with our HTML boilerplate. We are setting up a login container to hold everything together. Inside, we create a div. This is where the magic happens. We will add 3 separate divs for our red, yellow, and teal rings. Next, let's build the actual login box. A clean H2 for the title and 2 input groups for our username and password. Look at those placeholders, keeping it professional. Now, we add the sign-in button. We're giving it a special span for the text because we're going to do something cool with the colors later. Throw in some forgot password and sign up links at the bottom. And our structure is done. Now let's start CSS. Let's start by defining our CSS variables. We're using a deep maroon, a bright teal, vibrant yellow, and a soft red. This keeps our colors consistent. We're clearing margins and using border box so our padding doesn't mess up our sizes. Setting the font to Seago UI for that clean, professional look. We are using Flexbox to center everything perfectly on the screen. Min height 100 viewport height ensures it takes up the full height. Overflow, hidden. Login container, this is the stage for our animation. We have set it to 500 pixels to give our rings plenty of room to breathe. Ring system, this container holds our rings. I added a filter blur, 1 pixel, to give the lines a softer, more hand-drawn feel. Ring. All rings are positioned absolutely and centered using margin auto. Check out that 3-pixel solid border, that's our stroke. Ring red. Here is the secret. By using an 8-value border radius, we create an irregular, wobbly shape. This one spins clockwise over 12 seconds. Ring yellow. The yellow ring is slightly smaller and rotates in reverse. This counter movement creates a really dynamic effect. Ring teal, our largest ring, the teal one, moves slowly at 25 seconds. It adds depth to the whole background. Keyframes rotate main. Simple math here. We are just rotating from 0 to 360 degrees. Keyframes rotate reverse, and for the yellow ring, we just go backwards. Login box, setting Z index 10, so the form stays on top of the spinning rings. We also added a smooth fade-in animation. H2, a massive 45-pixel maroon heading to grab attention. Input rounded corners at 30 pixels for that modern pill shape. Input focus. Look at this. When you click, the input scales up slightly and adds a soft shadow. It feels so responsive. Sign-in button. This is my favorite part. It's a dual color linear gradient. Sign-in button hover. By shifting the background position, the teal color slides in smoothly when you hover. So satisfying. Link hover, a quick opacity change, and underline for the links at the bottom. Keyframes fade in, and finally, that subtle entrance animation that lifts the form into place as the page loads. And there you have it, a fully animated organic login UI using just HTML and CSS. If you found this helpful, smash that like button.